Viralwall, an air purifier for social distancing. Viralwall cleans the air from bacteria and viruses while creating a barrier between people for social distancing. LIGC Viralwall approaches the air cleaning in an innovative approach, the social distancing approach. Viralwall air purifiers use LIGC patented graphene air filter that functions as an electric fence to the micron and sub-micron level with similar functionality as a mosquito zapper. Our purifiers, when positioned between two persons, create safe zones. The air emitted from each person is sucked and captured by the air purifier, cleaned by our graphene electric fence, and emitted up to create an air wall. In meeting rooms, our purifiers can separate between the two sides and make the meeting more relaxed, safe, and comfortable. In classrooms where an air purifier is positioned in each table, we will create a safe environment when each student will have a virtual wall separate themselves from other classmates, creating a more comfortable and safe studying environment. What are you waiting for? Get Viralwall Purifier now!